here actually this question little bit you have to think, right? Here, okay, I will directly tell how I get the answer here. Now, right, you have to like I mentioned earlier also, in the previous questions also, you need to put some values, what are the angle you can find early, write those first. Now here, look, in this is the theorem, very important here. Now when you have tangent, right, at the tangent point, if you make a chord, right, like this, I will show you it roughly. Chord, here is the tangent. Tangent mean just touch the circle like that. You know what the tangent. Then at the tangent point, if you make a chord like this, if this chord subtended angle like this way, right, I mean, now this is the chord, right, this is the tangent. At the tangent point, this chord, right, this chord subtended angle, this one, this will be equal to between tangent and this chord, this angle. These two will be equal. Normally we call alternate segment theorem, right? Alternate segment, right? Now this is the tangent. At the tangent point, this is the chord. Between tangent and chord, this is the tangent, this is the chord. Between that angle, it will be equal to the angle this chord subtended at circumference. That means this one equal to this. So like that way here, look, they tell no DC is the tangent. DC is the tangent. At the point D, this is a chord. We can think as a chord. DB is a chord, right? This chord subtended angle. This chord subtended angle at circumference is 50. So that's why this 50 must be equal to here 50. Here also 50. Right? Try to understand. This is the tangent DC. At the tangent point, we are here circle. At that point, this is the chord. Not only this is the chord, we have another 3 more chords. This one, even this one. But this chord, let's rethink here. At that chord, subtended angle at circumference is 50. So this subtended angle by this chord will be equal to between the chord and tangent, that angle. The angle between chord and tangent, this one. So here 50, here also 50. Okay. Then another one here, from AB, sorry, again same, let's think this 2 point DB, right, D and B, this 2 point subtended angle at circumference, and also here that same 2 point D and B subtended angle at circumference here, right, DB from D and B go to circumference here, right? If I show you like this is the DB, DB, same 2 point go to here circumference. From same 2 point again D and B go to here. So that's why here 50, here also must be 50, right? Try to understand that also, right? Now we can write in for this triangle, what the ADC, for the ADC triangle you can write what the interior angle of triangle, that 180, no? So when you add this plus this whole thing, this both together, right? I mean, here I'm discuss about ADC triangle. In that triangle, this is the one angle. These two add up to make one angle, right? This one plus this one plus x must be 180, because interior angle of a triangle. So I will write like that, what the 30 plus 50, that means this both together, right? Plus 50, that means this angle, and then plus x must be equal to 180, right? Here both together make 80, but I wrote here both 30 plus 50 like that. Try to understand ADC triangle. I use here interior angle, right? So here answer will be 130. Okay, I will write that also. 130 equal 180. 130 bring to here, so 180 minus 130, right? So x will be equal to 180 minus 130 mean 50 degrees. So that's the answer for x.